How to share Google Drive link publicly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to share any of your videos inside your Google Drive and share its link as it publicly, so here's what you need to do. So first just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply log into your Google Drive account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. So you can do the same. And once inside here, let's say I want to share this file, which is named Tokyo City, and I want this file to be publicly available. So what I will be doing is simply click on this three dot icon over here, and once you click on it, just click on share and click on share once again. And once you finally click on it, here you should get the option. As you can see, it's restricted, so basically only people with the access can open the link. So to make it publicly accessible, you can first simply click on this restricted and just click on this anyone with the link. So once you do that, basically it will enable anyone on the internet with the link can view it as a viewer. So if you change it to editor, they can also actually make a edit on it. So just make sure to keep it as a viewer since you want them to only view it. So and once you finally copy this link and after clicking on done, and once you share it with any of your friends just like this, they will be able to view it from anywhere in the world just like that without any restriction. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If see you on the next one.